The raindrops falling on the church create a serene atmosphere, as if time has come to a standstill. This rainy landscape brings peace to the mind and provides a visual sense of calm, accompanied by the tranquil imagery of the church. The background white noise blocks out distractions, fostering psychological stability. White noise enhances focus, offering us a tranquil space. Additionally, this video incorporates theta waves, which resonate deeply within the mind and body, promoting profound relaxation and a meditative state. This video provides an ideal environment for those seeking to escape daily stress and find genuine rest.